Hey Kickstarter, I'm Mikey. Today I'm excited and proud to introduce to you a long coat that is sustainable, durable, compact in size, 100% water repellent, and fashionable. Our mission is as simple as can be, to make your daily impossibles to possible. That's why we named our long coat the I'm Possible Long Coat. The I'm Possible Long Coat is packed with fascinating features. Crafted with 4 large pockets, hood with a mini brim, drawstring waist, adjustable cuffs, and a packable stuff pocket. It is also designed and tailored to beautify your silhouette. I'm Possible Long Coat blocks rain with 100% guarantee. We use a newly developed original water repellent fabric, which is also made environmentally friendly. Say goodbye to your umbrellas, because you probably won't be needing them anymore. Once again, our mission is to change your daily impossibles to possible. The final piece to this puzzle is your support. Please come and join us in the I'm Possible Long Coat family. We're so grateful for your love and your support.